Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix choppy animations by adjusting performance options in PowerPoint. If your PowerPoint animations feel laggy, stutter during playback, or just don't look as smooth as they should, a quick change in the program's performance settings can often help. In this walkthrough, we'll go directly to the setting that may improve slideshow performance and make animations play more smoothly. To begin, open the PowerPoint app on your computer. Once PowerPoint is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click on File. This will take you away from the main editing view and into the area where PowerPoint settings and account options are stored. From the File menu, find and click Options. This opens the PowerPoint Options window, which is where you can customize how the app behaves. If you're not used to working in this menu, don't worry. We'll only be changing one setting. Inside the PowerPoint Options window, click on Advance. This section contains more detailed settings related to editing, display, and performance. Since the option we need is farther down the page, you'll want to scroll down carefully until you locate the setting called Disable Slideshow Hardware Graphics Acceleration. This setting controls whether PowerPoint uses your computer's hardware to help render slideshow visuals and animations. In some cases, depending on your system or graphics drivers, hardware acceleration can actually cause choppy animation playback instead of improving it. That's why adjusting this option can be a useful troubleshooting step when your slides don't appear to run smoothly. When you find Disable Slideshow Hardware Graphics Acceleration, select it as needed based on the issue you're trying to resolve. The key part here is identifying that this is the setting related to slideshow animation performance. After you've made the adjustment, click OK to save your changes and close the options window. That's it. Your new setting is now applied. Once you're done, it's a good idea to test your presentation again in slideshow mode and check whether the animations are smoother. If you're still seeing choppy playback, you may want to restart PowerPoint before testing one more time so the change takes full effect. That's the full process for adjusting PowerPoint's performance option to help fix choppy animations. Following these steps carefully can make a noticeable difference in how your presentation looks when it's playing.